Super excited to be at the Aero Asia 2025, and I specifically want to look at the eVTOLs, the electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicles that make the rounds and the headlines in China. One, Volant, has just entered unicorn status. Another, Autoflight, has recently started to do commercial flights to oil rigs to supply them with provisions. So a lot is happening in this industry in China. And I have to say, overall, it was just very, very impressive to see the sheer number of electric flying objects, from eVTOLs, of course, but also flying experimental cars and all kinds of drones, obviously heavy transport drones as well. And it just shows me the China speed, how China is running ahead and not waiting for Europe or the US to catch up. The world, or at least the world's electric aviation, will be dominated by Chinese models. I took a lot of footage, so I will do more videos about the things that I've seen. I was there, by the way, with a good friend, Lee Barrett, and he did a walkthrough video, so check that one out as well. And I was very happy to run into the very well-known, famous Jenny.
Are you Harold?
She is probably the most comprehensive English-speaking journalist about the Chinese low-altitude economy at the moment. I've just wanted to give a brief update on what's going on in China's low-altitude economy. I'll be following up with more content, so please follow if this topic is interesting.